to mention, Amazon wish list is in the not in the description. It won't let me for some reason, but it's in the comment section. See how bad the filters are after all of that sheetrock dust. That is a lot. You can definitely see some definitely got into the motor intake, which I don't really care. This is just a beater vacuum, honestly. Twist that off, and then see how bad the dust is in here. Oh yeah, it's quite a bit of dust. That's okay. But what we really want to see, that's actually not as bad as I thought. Nowhere near as bad as I thought. Definitely not as bad as I thought, but it's definitely pretty packed full. That's okay. But these cyclones actually do work. Not perfectly, but that's really fine dust that we were just sucking up, so. But they, in terms of just normal house cleaning, they work really well. I will say. A lot better than, like a shark cyclone or something. And then just lock it up on. There you go. But that's not bad for... Look how much it didn't go, look how much didn't go in the filter, then look how much is in the separator bin. I suppose you guys probably gonna want a bin dump here soon, but I'll fill it up a little bit more after I vacuum quite a bit, and then I'll give you guys a bin dump on this. Now this thing doesn't even have a HEPA filter in it currently, which I probably should have got one for it before I started doing all this nasty work, but yeah, there's quite a bit of dust, but a lot of that's just carbon dust. It just has one of those cheap motors in it, but it actually, as you guys saw, it seems to have a decent amount of airflow and a decent amount of power, just to, at least, you saw how well it was making some nice satisfying paths. That's why I decided to film it. Alright, stay tuned.